Hello and welcome to just another car channel, and before we get started, I want to show everyone this little trick with the 280ZX that I know of. At least I think the S30s did it too, but you can actually just unclip wipers like this and you can wipe snow right off your car. And I say trick because I don't want people being like, haha, I'm gonna steal someone's wipers. Nah, we don't do that here. We're nice to people with DATSUNs and such. Alright, so now we're back to this. After I got done shooting the last video I did on this, which was my last video, after I got done, I found an air grinder in my garage with a little, wire wheel sort of disc on it, and I was going to use that, but I don't know where it went. So now I have this rigged contraption where there's a bolt through there, and it's on a drill. So let's see what I can break. Why not? I'm going to start out with this and be one-handed. This is going to be a bad idea. Always wear eye protection if you're doing stupid things, and do not try this at home. Alright, it seems to be working pretty okay. I'm going to do this off camera because I don't have my tripod with me, and this really calls for two hands. I'll get back to it in just a minute. So, here, I've kind of went over that. This is looking better. Kind of went up top there, and back through here. Right there, of course. Starting to work on it there. Kind of ground up there just a little bit because it's bored. Along the side here, because there's some rust there and whatnot. Haven't started anything over here or anything. Also, if you watched if you watched my last video, you will see, my coat. I have not gotten a new coat yet. So, remember that. Do subscribe so I can get a new coat. Because if we get enough subscribers, I'll get a new coat. Kind of ground off a little there. But this, just want to tell everyone this, is, it vibrates you a lot. And I just want to say, do add this to your Christmas list. This is, if I get enough interest, I will start patenting these and selling them. And yeah, I will not guarantee that you won't hurt yourself or others when using them. as a joke, by the way, I would not trust anyone else with one of these. That's how kind of sketchy. So, just saying. So, I don't know why there's like a crack right there. It's kind of interesting. That's pretty cool to the touch. Still need to kind of go right there, through here. Still need to do behind this. Probably just bend that out and bend it back when I'm done. That kind of concerns me a little bit, because I don't know what's under there. Over here though, that looks pretty good. I'm going to have to grind this down or wire wheel it down some more. Up here, most definitely still. Down here though, yeah, this is kind of bad because it's all pitted and everything, but I think it's solid enough to where I can just go over it a little bit more and then go back over it with, like, you know, undercoating, whatever. Over here, not too bad, still not great, but yeah. And I think that I'm probably going to be doing the same thing on the other side, but let's hope not, because I don't want to deal with this again. This is about as bad as I want it to be. It makes for good content though, so I'm gonna get back to it. Alright everyone, so this is going to be pretty much it for the evening for this video, because the sun's starting to go down and I am not in correct light for this. So there's still a little bit of rust spots in there that I want to take care of. I'll bend down here. I've been squatting for a while and I'm starting to hurt. Right there, there's a little bit. Through here, starting to look pretty good. There's some dirt on it still. That's why it looks kind of weird. Yeah, right about there. Still some down here. That's pitted a little bit. I don't know what to do about that. Also, leave a comment below your opinion about rust reformer, because if I have some stuff like there, which probably shouldn't matter, I don't even know if you can hardly tell, or some stuff like down here, on top of that, maybe I could just rust reform it and see if it'll be good. Right there, I'm probably gonna have to grind that a little bit of a crack down there, right? You can't see it right there. Yeah. Same with the bottom right there, and hope that that isn't rusted through. That's about it for here. I'm going to move into the inside of the car real quick. I posted on Instagram the other day that I was going to get back to doing this and finding murder weapons. And what I mean by murder weapons is that this was in the car when I bought it, and obviously it's a knife. That's it. It's a knife. Otherwise, I don't really think I've gone through here anytime soon. This sat, of course, in a field for a while. That's the other cam I have that I really need to clean up and probably put in here. Has a hole in the floor, but you can't tell because the carpet's covering it. There's a manual. Let me zoom in a little bit, if I remember how. Here we go. I'll zoom back out some. Here we go. I think that's a factory service manual. It's kind of sad. And over here, there's a whole bunch of debris and stuff from the last creature that was in this, and a Bud Light sort of thing. There's the other hood vent. All this dirtiness. There we go. Yeah. Oh. So, that'll wrap it for today's video. It is now pretty dark, and I hope you enjoyed. Do drop a thumbs up if you enjoyed. As always, thank you for watching. Subscribe for more car content, and have an awesome night.